Hello friends, if you are completed your 12th class and want to pursue your career in social work, then this is the very right time to apply for the bachelor degree program for the session 2021-22 in TIS and make your career in social work profession. Here BA honors in social work with a specialization in rural development for Tuljapur off campus and BA in social science in Tuljapur and Guwahati off campus is admission notification is open now. So let's discuss uh, in detail in this video about the each and every details of the admission procedure for the bachelor in social work. If you want to get more information and how to apply, then go to the www.admission.tis.edu education, and the last date for applying the is 13th September 2021. You know, the Tata Institute of Social Science is a very good institute. It is one of the premier institute and number one ranking for the social work profession, and it is a deemed university established under the section 3 of UGC Act 1956. This is the BA timeline for the academic session 2021-22 admission timeline for the BA program for Tuljapur as well as the Guwahati off campus for the academic year 2021-22. Announcement of the admission is on 25th August 2021. Online application form available from 25th August 2021, and the last date for filling the online application is 13th September 2021, and the online proctored based TIS BAT 2021 19 September 2021 between the 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. BAT means the eligibility and the entrance examination which can be held on 19th September 2021. And the announcement of our merit list result of BA program is 27th September 2021, and the online document uploading and the payment of fee by the selected candidate for the BA program is the 27th to 4th of October 2021. The announcement for the first waiting list on 8th of October 2021, and the online for submitting payment of fee by the selected candidate for the BSW is from 8 October to 12 October. This is the whole whatever you are going to be know about the specific date about each and every step for the procedure of admission. Here the date are given, so you can apply till 19th of September. Now we will take a look after the BA honors in social work with a specialization in rural development about each and every details. What are the each and every eligibility criteria, number of seat. Here the school under the school of rural development intake is 30. Eligibility is the student should pass 12th class or intermediate in any subject stream from the recognized board. Student who have studied international baccalaureate diploma and will be the completed 12th class with clear result declared by September 2021 are eligible to apply. Candidates who have appeared in their 12th class and intermediate final exam and awaiting result are also eligible to apply. The final pass results should be produced at the time of joining program if selected. Age limit is for upper age limit for the general candidate is 20 year, for OBC it is 22, and for ST/ST candidate is 24 year as on 18th September 2021. Although the upper age limit for the physically handicapped according to their belonging to which type of physically challenged they are, so here not mentioned. General information are given for the BA honors in social work with a specialization in the rural development program aim to creating commitment and the content professionals. The program attempt to build skills in facilitating change and the transformation in rural areas at the level of individual, group as well as community level. So the student who successfully completed the credited and non-credited requirement of 3 years program will be awarded as BA honors in the social work with a specialization in rural development degree. Here descriptions are given about the all the what are the course content is for BSW in Tuljapur campus of TIS. So you can, if you want to know much more about the course content, then you can go through each and every details. The duration for the BSW is 6 semester and the medium of instruction will be in English language. So you, if you are applying for the TIS, then get ready for pursue BSW in English language. Here are the course titles which are taught in during the BSW program. For each semester these subjects are taught in the TIS for the BSW. These are the subjects. If you don't know about the what are the course content in social work for BSW, then go through this page. You will know about the what are the subjects which are taught under the BSW course. So here is the list, you can see. Now we will look after the fee structure. Here are fee structure given. You can see the fee structure for the tuition fee is 6,000 for each semester. Examination fees the 800 for each semester. Health center charge is 100 rupees only for the first semester. Fieldwork charges are for only for second year, 4,000 per semester. And here many things are given. So if you want to look after and know about the fee structure, then look after each and every details in details. Here I will not discuss each and every fee structure. So here hostel charge is also given, you can see that. And here it is given that institute reserve the right to revise the fee structure for program if necessary. I hope you will understand the what is the criteria for applying for the BSW course in TIS and what is the last date. Last date is 19 September 2021. Examination, entrance examination will be held, so you have to prepare for the entrance also. And here specialization is rural development in Tuljapur off campus admission. You can take, if you have any doubt regarding the admission, you can consult to www.admission.tiseducation, and you can also here given the helpline number 022 255 You can consult on this number, or you can email to the admission info@tis.education for knowing about if you have any doubt regarding the admission in BSW in social work in Tata Institute of Social Science. It is a very good institute. So those freshers who have recently passed 12th class and want to pursue their career in social work, then don't miss this chance, because this is very good institute. Here its ranking is number 1 in social work education in India. So apply for the BSW program. Definitely you will learn a lot, and you will get very much knowledge about the social work. So if you like this notification, then like, share and subscribe those to anyone who want to pursue their career in social work, either your relative or your family members. Thank you for watching me. Thank you guys.